Hola, ¿cómo estás? I'm back. Nah, I'm just playing. Alright, so I know it's been a while. I was just in a 2-week vacation from Gunpla because I knew I was gonna miss out on the clean versus weathered competition anyway. So I just took a break from building so I could just do whatever I want. Now I'm kind of like rejuvenated in a way on finishing my Sinanju. You know, it's just unfortunate that I'm too slow when it comes to customizing. Look, I'm not even done with the legs though, and it's been 3 weeks. But you know, I tried. Okay, apparently I need more than a month and a half to finish a kit now because I get more and more ambitious, I guess, if that's the proper word, even though my more and more ambitious mode is not really that ambitious compared to other people's works. But yeah, still working on the legs. I'm not even close to being done. I still gotta scribe a couple more parts on the legs, and then I'll do the feet next. I haven't even touched the feet, and I still got the backpack to do, so this is gonna be a while. I hope I finish this kit before the end of the month, I would say. Hopefully. That's about a solid month, you know. That's 3 weeks. I have to be able to finish it, right? I have to. At least I would like to think so. But let me show you guys what I have so far. It's a little dusty, but this is what I have now. Right here. This is not the complete version. I still gotta do the panel lining, and I still gotta do some parts of the kit right here, but I got the top half complete, but I just need the backpack next to do, and then that's it. I think I'm done after that, you know. I mean, it turned out pretty good so far. It's just unfortunate that I wasn't able to finish this for the competition because I'm too slow of a builder, and I need a lot of motivation to finish some things anyway. So, you know, I'm just disappointed. You know, apparently this is what I learned so far. I've entered like 3 competition and I've missed 2 of them already. So apparently I don't do good with deadlines when it comes to building. That's what I'm quickly figuring out about myself already. But yeah, that's where I am so far. So I'm giving myself another month. So this is gonna be 3 months now, I would say. Yeah, 3 months before I maybe be able to finish it. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to paint the inner frame this weekend, and then I'll work on the outer armor, scribing and all that stuff by next week, the end of next week. So that's what's been going on with that build. Oh, I watched the Demon Slayer movie in the theaters. Tell you what, it is one of the best anime movies you ever watch, you know. And the good thing about it is, when it comes to that anime movie, it's not like the typical anime movie where the plot of the movie doesn't apply to the TV show. Because what they actually did is they just, I guess you could just put it into, like, you can summarize it by I want to say 5 episodes worth, or 6 worth episodes of the Demon Slayer, and they just condensed it into like an hour and a half or 2 hours. I'm not sure how long the movie was really, but yeah, that's how long but I think that's how long the movie is, if you were to divide it into episodes. About I want to say 5 to 6 episodes of that. But I'll tell you what, it is one awesome movie in my opinion. The fight scene, especially on the final fight, I'm not gonna spoil anything or whatever for those people that still gotta watch the movie. I mean, it's been 2 weeks, but you can go watch that right about now if you want to. But you know, I'm not gonna spoil anything. But the final fight is crazy good, kind of depressing too at the same time. But it's great. It's a really good movie. Everybody should be watching that movie if you're a fan of Demon Slayer. And yeah, that's what I did. That's what I've been doing so far. Demon Slayer, go out there, watch it. It's great. It's the best freaking anime movie I've watched so far since Your Name. Yeah, Your Name. Your Name is the other anime movie I like watching too. Yeah, watch it in the theaters. Alright, so what I also got, this is a huge box. Hold up, let me push everything out. It's too small, but this is the... Let me push this thing, my camera back for a second, alright? Hold up. I think I got it. I got it moved out the way there. But check this out. This is a pretty cool kit. It's a P Bandai kit I got right here. I want to build this too. Quickly here, even though I don't have a favorite kit at all, but for me, my favorite designs are from AOZ, Advance of Zeta. And I got this kit right here. This is the Master Grade. Oh, crap. Hold up. Hazel Aosla TR1 Gundam. I saw a video of this kit on YouTube. Apparently, it's a giant kit. So... I'm gonna be building this soon. I'm not gonna be doing any custom on it yet. I just want to build it. It looks freaking cool, in my opinion. But look at that, man. AOZ. I don't know. I'm not familiar with the lore of Advance of Zeta, but the robot. The mecha designs on that series is too good, man. It's too good. And also, let me take this off. I'm gonna sound a little bit weird now. Let me just turn off the what do you call that, fan here. And now I'm just using my phone's mic right now because I had to, that's because I had to relocate for a second here. But I bought this light box right here, right? And it is a 24 by 24 Fovitec, I believe. I bought it at Amazon. And I think I may have just upgraded my photography skills. Look how bright this thing is. Hold on. Let me go adjust the brightness on my phone. I mean that's about the brightest it can get. Look how bright this thing is. Look how bright this thing is. That's insane, right? Insane in the membrane. I can't even darken my camera anymore because of that. Look. That's how bright it is. But when you actually use this photo booth to take pictures of your kit, it's gonna. I'm gonna insert like an example. Damn, it's so bright. I'm gonna insert an example on this video of the results I've been getting with this photo booth. But it is great. Look at that. I mean, but I still gotta use more lights to get a really good picture with what I'm trying to achieve. But look how big it is. But it is awesome. Definitely worth the purchase for those of you that likes to take your photography of any kind of kits to like the next level, you should get it. Let me turn that off for a second. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it off. Shaky camera. Boom, off. Look at that. It's huge. It also, let me put my mic back on here and stop the shakiness. This is a vlog. So I'm sorry. I can't stop the shaking. It's just me. With that photo booth, right? It comes with the LED lights and I want to say 4 different other background papers that you can use. Comes with gray, black, and then the white that I'm already using, and this sky blue one right here. So you can pick and choose which one you want to use for background, and it will look good with that bright ass light that it comes with it. Also, it's pretty easy to assemble. It took me about, I want to say 10 minutes. The only hard part assembling is the when you're trying to Velcro in the background. Your choice of colors for the background of the for the photo booth, because it tends to come off easy. So that's the only problem with it. So I'm just gonna put a link below on the description to for where I bought it. I got it from Amazon. So for any of you that wants to buy the same thing that I bought, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. You'll be able to purchase it, I mean. But yeah. Okay, that's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Peace out.